this shirt makes me look like I have man boobs though.
Dan, you have man boobs. Just embrace it. Hello everybody, it's Rose. Welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. Who are you, you stranger?
Well, I'm a new guest to just for this episode of Cheap Lazy Vegan. My name's Daniel. I'm one of Rose's friends.
Yes, you are definitely not a new guest though.
True,
that's a lie.
Yeah.
You are a very old guest. We are in Daniel's
kitchen,
dining room.
Yeah.
And we are going to eat some food. Now, Daniel made this lovely
curry.
Daniel's famous curry, as I like to call it.
When we were living together like a while ago, I used to cook it all the time, and Rose was just like, "You always make this curry, but it is so good."
It is really good. It's very simple.
Yeah.
And we did film a recipe. So if you guys want the recipe for this, that will be coming out very shortly. We have here some sweet chili sauce as a
extra flavor.
Potential flavor because Daniel is an embarrassment to me and does not have sriracha. When's the last time you had sriracha in the house, Dan?
I don't know. It's been a while actually.
You should have told me to bring this on. I would have brought you some.
Oh God, yeah, because it's cheaper in Canada, isn't it?
And it's easier to get in Canada.
Oh.
Daniel, do not. You almost knocked down my camera.
Oh, I did.
Okay, so this is the curry. Dan, put up this curry like this. Maybe we can just get a thumbnail.
So funny.
So that is the curry. There's a secret ingredient in there that makes it nice and sweet.
You have to watch the recipe video to find out.
Yes. But it's basically lentil curry. It's very, very simple. And there's broccoli in there. And I may need some more salt, by the way.
Yeah. Oh yeah, should I grab some salt? Okay. Entertain my guests.
Thank you, Dad. It's very delicious.
Is it?
Yes.
Yay. It's Cheap Lazy Vegan approved.
It's Cheap Lazy Vegan approved. It's very. You put a lot of spice in there.
I know. I was like tasting it when we were cooking, and I was like, "This is gonna be spicy."
It would definitely be better with sriracha, though. So I will add some sweet chili sauce.
Okay.
So what else do you like to make, Dad?
Stir fries. I do chili sometimes.
Dad loves a stir fry.
I do love stir fry.
What do you put in your stir fry, Dad?
Everything. I'll just like.
What sauce do you put?
I do all kinds of stuff. Sometimes I'll do like a peanut. I really like a peanut saute. So that's like one of my favorite go-tos. But I think like the reason I like stir fries, you can just go to the grocery store and just pick some random vegetables and just kind of grill them up together. And usually it's delicious.
It's very easy.
Yeah.
You can use up all your vegetables.
Sometimes I'll like just grab, you can just grab like, you know, like those udon noodles and stuff. Just throw them straight into the pan. Everything's done. It's easy, it's vegan, and it's cheap and lazy.
Yeah. Cheap, lazy vegan.
Just like this girl right here, cheap and lazy.
Oh my God, we're reunited. We didn't even we didn't even talk about this.
I know, it's crazy.
So I'm in London at the moment. Just cray cray.
I know, it's so cool. I've missed your beautiful face.
Or you hate me today, don't you?
Mixed feelings. No, I'm just kidding.
Daniel thinks I'm a bully.
Yeah, she likes to pick on me.
But all out of love.
Yep. I'll tell myself that while I go to bed crying. Thank God I can take it. You know what I mean? Like imagine if I was really sensitive.
I mean today you almost couldn't take it.
I almost reached a breaking point. Okay, I almost stormed out of the bar that we were in.
Yes, you can take it because you know it's all out of love.
Exactly. If it was like mean, then I'd be like, get out of my life.
Very good, Dan.
This is actually nice.
We needed to eat.
It definitely's got a kick to it. But
Are you gonna hiccup? Please hiccup.
No, I think I'll be alright. We should have sat on opposite sides.
Why?
Because I'm left-handed and you're right-handed. So while we're eating, it's like, yeah.
It's like we're playing armsies.
Yeah. We're playing armsies. So,
Delicious.
are you enjoying your time here in London so far, Rose?
I'm very much enjoying my time here because I have spent it with you.
Aww.
I've only come here, what, 2 days ago?
Yeah.
2 nights ago.
2 nights ago. We've done a lot in like that short time. Yeah, because you got here on Friday, didn't you?
I got here Friday night.
Yeah, Friday night.
And today is Sunday night.
And a bunch of us met Rose at the station. And one of our friends, she had made like signs that said like Rose out in letters, and we were all standing there like holding the signs.
So cute.
Yeah, it was
I almost cried. It was very emotional.
Did you actually almost cry?
No, I was just very touched.
Okay.
I actually have it on vlog.
Yeah.
So subscribe to my vlog channel. I feel like I'm gonna eat this really fast. I'm gonna want more.
No shameless self-promotion here, Rose. This actually turned out really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Does it have enough spice in it for you, Rose?
Could use more flavor.
Oh my god. Honestly.
How do you take this abuse, Dad?
I don't know. Because I only know it's for a limited time only.
Seriously, we used to live together. How'd you handle this? Did you cry every night?
No, actually it was really nice living together. Because we just like used to cook every night and like, I miss that. I miss having my cooking buddy. And talk about life. Over
Love and happiness.
Over a bottle of wine in the
Or
backyard. Backyardin',
yeah?
In the backyard. In the backyard. In the back garden.
Yes, I do miss that.
Yeah, that was fun. Especially in the summer when it was nice and we should just like sit back, like sometimes back there and just like chat.
So if you don't know, I used to live with Daniel. I feel like people we expect people to like all know.
Yeah, but some people are gonna be new to this show.
I know. So if you don't know, Daniel and I, we were friends since university.
Yeah.
And then we also lived together in London for a brief moment.
It was like a year. No,
It was
6 months.
like 6 months. But we were living together in the UK for over a year. Because you were in
Oh, yeah. So
Yeah.
I lived up in Newcastle and you were here, so.
And then Daniel came down to London because you were working in London.
Actually, I got a job here and then.
And then Daniel stayed. And I left.
I know. You
And
left me.
that was the end of our story.
Yep. Our story's still being written.
Aww. What's next on our chapter, Dan?
Who knows? Brazil next year? Should we go on a holiday? I wonder if you have any viewers in Brazil.
I think I do.
Really?
Any viewers in Brazil? Let me know.
Say hi.
I know how to say one thing in Brazilian. In
Brazilian.
Portuguese.
What do you know how to say?
Saúde.
What does that
That
mean?
means cheers.
Are you sure?
Thais taught me. It's either
okay.
saúde or saúde, depending on where you're from.
Ah,
If you're
okay.
from Sao Paulo, it's saúde, I think.
That's very cool. So at least I'll know I can get you to say cheers while we're there. So if we're in the bar and we meet some Brazilians, I will refer to you. My friend Rose, she speaks Portuguese.
Saúde.
Oh my god. And then they'll start talking to you and that's all you're gonna know. Oh gee. I'm probably not even saying it right. How do you say it again?
Saúde.
Saúde. Okay.
But I'm teaching you and I don't speak Portuguese,
Yeah,
so
probably,
good luck.
yeah.
Anyways, Dan, we should talk about something interesting. What's going on in your life that's interesting?
My life's boring. No, it's not that boring, but
What's interesting in my life, Dan?
I mean, you are an international celebrity. I forgot what I was gonna say now. I lost my train of thought.
Oh, did you watch my new spicy noodle challenge?
I haven't seen it yet, no. I've been with you the whole time. When have I had time to watch this challenge?
Do you remember us doing that challenge?
Oh god, yeah. I think I want to retry it now though, with this new way of doing it where you don't use the water or something, or you drain all the water.
So you want to kill yourself, basically.
I don't want to kill myself, Rose.
It's basically a suicide mission.
That's true. Okay, maybe I won't do it.
Especially with you.
Yeah, that's true.
You would die.
No one needs to hear me hiccup for half an hour straight on camera. There's nothing attractive.
They already
about
did
that.
hear it.
I know. So embarrassing, seriously.
I thought it was wonderful.
Delicious. Oh my god. Seriously. It's so spicy.
When I was editing my spicy noodle challenge that I didn't do with you, I thought it was boring because there was no hiccups. I was like, wow, I don't have to do a hiccup count. There's not that much work involved.
That was funny though. I'm glad you put that in. Although I think you missed a few of them. I think it was higher than.
I tried to be nice to you.
Yeah.
I tried to make sure that it was definitely a hiccup.
Yeah.
Because some of them you were like, and I wasn't sure.
Yeah. I mean, I think you have to make a call as to what
I have to make
constitutes.
an executive decision.
Exactly. So you have to say, okay, what is the definition of a hiccup? You know, you have to get really scientific about it. And if it's just a kind of thrust, it could have been that I was coughing or something. You know, it couldn't have been a hiccup.
Exactly. Should I eat more? But
I do want to take some for my lunch tomorrow though, but there's lots of rice and stuff, so go for it.
I might have just a little bit more. I'm like one of those people. I'll have a full plate and then I just have to have just a little bit more.
Yeah.
For good measure.
Yeah. But that's why I said to myself, you know, if and when I go on dates, it's very important that I don't go and eat spicy food. Because that would just be so
But it'd be so
embarrassing.
cute.
It would be so
I would
embarrassing.
think it's cute.
Really? Mm-hmm. If you went on a date with somebody, you think it was cute if they like went violently hiccuping on you? Like crazy. Like it would be fine if it was like one hiccup, but it's the fact that I would hiccup continuously throughout the meal.
I think if I went on a date with a very good-looking gay man. Yes, it would be funny. It would be hilarious.
Yeah, I mean, why you would be on a date with a good-looking gay man, I'm not sure. But
we go on many dates together.
That's true. But that's different, Rose. Those be friendship dates.
Friendship dates. Let me think. What would I think if a guy hiccuped a lot?
Like a lot, like on your date.
I think it would depend on how he handles it.
Yeah.
Like if he acts really embarrassed and like really awkward, then it would be really awkward.
That's true.
But if he's just like laughing about it and I'm laughing and we're both laughing, I think that would actually be very funny.
Actually, it's interesting you mentioned that because I watched this thing. It was like First Dates, that TV show.
Oh my god, do you love that show?
Oh, it's so good.
Is that a UK show?
Yeah, it's UK. Anyway, there was a guy on there, and it was, oh my god, it was actually really cute. I don't know if they're still together or not, but anyway, this guy went on there, and he suffered from mild Tourette's. He was like this Irish guy, and he basically, it was like a really sad story. Like apparently he got Tourette's because something happened with his ex-boyfriend, and blah, blah. Anyway, long story short, met up with this other guy, and literally the way that he handled it was that he like just laughed it off, you know?
Yeah.
Like things would happen and he would be like at one point he would just say the most random stuff. Like at one point they were on the date and he was like, I'm a racist. And he's like, I'm not actually a racist. Like he would just like correct himself afterwards. Like it was just, and the other guy took it so well as well.
Yeah.
He was just like, strategy, very strategic. Hi, bro. How you do?
I'm so romantic.
I know. We're on another friendship date.
Another friendship date.
In my kitchen.
In your kitchen.
Eating food. Love and laugh. Rose going getting the second helping. God damn. And she isn't taking a little bit either.
Hey, it's just like 2 bites for me.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh my god, why am I such a pig? I just love Daniel's curry. That's why I gotta have more.
Aw,
you know?
that's so sweet. It did turn out pretty good though.
I mean, it's okay.
You're never satisfied.
I'm just kidding. It's delicious. And I think tomorrow's is gonna taste better.
Oh, I definitely will.
Because the flavors will infuse.
And they will like ferment.
And they will make love.
We're all about those flavors making love, aren't we? Everything's better with a little bit of love, isn't it, Rose?
Everything's better with a little bit of love.
Can I get an amen in here?
Any last stories to share with the audience?
Not that I can think of off the top of my head. Do you have any stories, Rose? You're full of stories.
I have many stories that I cannot share with this audience.
Really? What about when that guy cut his hair caught on fire and speed dating? I think that you can share, right?
I don't know. So I went speed dating. This was not part of the plan.
No.
I just basically got invited to this event, and it happened to be a speed dating event. And I was in Scotland, of all places. So I was not there to, you know...
Yeah. It was just for fun.
Meet the love of my life. Although if I did meet the love of my life, a Scottish love of my life, maybe I would still be there, you know? Who knows? But anyways. This poor guy. He had this super long hair. It was like probably down to like his lower back. And he was just standing there like at the table like talking to somebody, and there's candles everywhere because, you know, set the mood, you know what I'm saying?
Getting that like mood lighting going.
It's all about that mood lighting, you know?
Really
That's how you make people fall in love.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not chemistry.
Nope.
It's not, you know, conversation. It's the mood lighting. So then he was standing there talking to this girl. And all of a sudden some girl's like, ah! And then I turned around. This guy was like kind of close to me. Not really, but like kind of.
Yeah.
And I turned around and then this guy's hair is on fire. I know we shouldn't be laughing because it could have been very dangerous.
It could have, yeah. We shouldn't really laugh.
Oh my god, this guy's hair was on fire. Like literally there was like fire like burning his hair. And that's when we all freak out.
Yeah.
And I was holding a cocktail and I was like, I don't think I should throw this in his hair. Because that was my initial thought. I'm like, I need to throw this. And then I was like, oh my god, no, there's like rum in here or something. Yeah.
Oh my god.
But then I don't think it would have actually done anything because actually it was mostly like
water.
You know, juice and water. It wasn't actually all rum.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was my initial thought. I was like, oh my god, what do we do? Yeah. What would you do in this situation? You're like standing there.
I don't know.
And this guy's hair is on fire.
And your hair's on fire.
And then later on we talked to him after and he was like, yeah, I didn't know what was going on. I just heard a lot of people screaming behind me. So I turned around and everyone was looking at me. And then he was like, oh shit, something's burning. I think he like probably like patted it down or something.
Yeah.
Thankfully his shirt was not like flammable. No, he would have been in the hospital, dude.
Could you imagine? I shouldn't be laughing. It's not funny. We shouldn't joke about this thing.
Not funny.
Not funny.
Blood.
Not funny.
Blood.
Funny.
I know it's not funny to laugh at that thing happening, but like seriously, you can't write this stuff sometimes. You know, this stuff just happens, and you're like, wow. You know? Like, and it just would have been so much worse if his shirt was flammable. It would
my
have
God.
just been so bad. And then Rose throw her alcoholic cocktail on, throw fuel to the fire. This poor guy.
Can you imagine? Oh my God.
He's like, oh, you know, you end up in hospital. What were you doing? I went on speed dating and got burned.
He was on fire, quite literally. Sparks were flying everywhere.
Yeah. Oh God.
Oh my God, honestly.
So many puns.
No, he could literally be like, I was on fire.
I went to the speed dating and I was totally on fire. At night there were sparks flying everywhere.
Anyways.
Yeah. Oh,
So what's
funny.
the plan tonight then, Dad?
So the plan tonight is to have a chill evening in and relax.
Should we watch a movie?
Yeah, we could watch a movie. I wouldn't mind that. So we could watch a movie because we literally have a full packed week. Every single night we have things planned.
This is my life.
Yeah. So what are we doing? Tomorrow we go for Indian food. And then Tuesday we're gonna go see a play. Because one thing that's great about London is there's just so many like plays and like cool things going on. So we're gonna go see Dream Girls. And then
Woohoo!
what do you do on Wednesday? Are you going to some concert on Wednesday?
I'm gonna Bon Iver. Is it Bon Iver?
And what's Bon Iver?
Bon Iver.
Bon Iver.
Bon Iver!
Who is that?
The artist. Are we having a Nelson Mandela moment?
No, we are not.
No.
We are not discussing that here, Rose, okay? That is something that is for the
Okay, fine.
private life only.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to a Bon Iver concert. He is a singer, a very famous singer.
Okay. Well, not that famous. I didn't know who he was.
Well, I mean, apparently you don't know who anyone is. What are we gonna watch, huh?
I don't know. I'll see what I have some movies like
Oh, seriously,
on
my
my
hair.
laptop so we can see what.
So I think we're gonna call it a night.
I think so.
In terms of this video.
Well, we've just cleaned our plates. So.
We have completely cleaned our plates. Me and then some.
Yeah, you
I think I need to drink some water because I am thirsty.
You have to wait 30 minutes, Rose.
I know. do you guys wait 30 minutes or an hour after you eat before you drink water? Apparently that is the best practice.
And you're not supposed to eat you're not supposed to drink water while you're eating, apparently.
Yeah, because it's not actually good for your digestion. Because it dilutes, I don't know if it's exactly what it is, but
Yeah.
it's supposed to dilute your digestive enzymes or whatever.
Yeah.
So you're supposed to drink water at least 30 minutes before you eat and then not drink it while you're eating.
Yeah.
But I'm terrible with that.
Yeah.
Hi. Alright, so the recipe video is going to be coming out shortly, I believe. And when it does, you can check that out. So in order to not miss it, what do they have to do, Daniel?
They have to subscribe to
Yes.
Cheap Lazy Vegan. Give this video a thumbs up. Also follow Rose on Instagram at Cheap Lazy Vegan.
Yes.
On Instagram as well. And yeah, and also if you want to see her vlogging through life, watch A Dose of Rose, another of Rose's
Yes, I have a
YouTube
second
channels.
channel,
Yeah.
which I don't really talk enough about.
But you should promote it more.
I know.
Because it's got good content.
It's a vlog.
I'm on there.
I know. If you guys want more of this beautiful face hair, which sometimes gets a little bit flushed
I
when he
do.
drinks a bit of alcohol,
I haven't been drinking
or eating food or doing anything in life.
Yeah. I have permanent rosy cheeks.
He does. It's very adorable.
Oh.
See, I'm so nice to you on camera, aren't I?
And then behind the scenes, you guys, if it was on video, oh gosh.
Okay. Oh, we better go. Things are happening.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.